Yes, dear friends, welcome to the video. Here I am going to discuss about properties of matrices. So let us discuss one by one. First, transpose of a matrix. So transpose of a matrix is denoted by A transpose. So you can see here the symbols. So A transpose or A prime, or also we can use transpose of A. Okay, so transpose of A. So usually in most of the times we are using the symbol A power T. Okay, A power T denotes transpose of a matrix. So here transpose of a matrix is nothing but interchanging of rows and columns. Let us take matrix A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in the given matrix, the elements are 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5 means first row is 2 and 3, second row is 4 and 5. So you are writing first row in terms of column, second row in terms of second column. So your first row 2, 3 changes into first column 2 and 3. Your second row elements 4, 5 converts into second column elements 4, 5. So this is represented by A power T, A transpose. Similarly, let us take one more example. B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2 cross 3 matrix. So when you take the transpose of this matrix, it is represented by B transpose. Your first row converts into first column, that is 1, 2, 3 you are writing into first column, and your second row elements 4, 5, 6 you are writing in terms of second column 4, 5, 6. So therefore here your 2 cross 3 converts into 3 cross 2 matrix after taking the transpose. So we are having some basic properties of transpose of a matrix. First property, A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. So when you take the transpose of the matrix, again if you apply transpose property one more time, you are getting the same matrix. Okay, so therefore first property is A transpose whole transpose is equals to A. Second one, A plus B whole transpose gives A transpose plus B transpose. Third, Ka whole transpose gives K into A transpose. And fourth one, AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So these properties are very much useful while solving some important results. Next you go to the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Just I wanted to go with the mathematical notations. Symmetric matrix means you just remember the notation A transpose is equals to minus A. A transpose is equals to A. Okay. So this is the definition of symmetric matrix. So let us take here one example. A is equals to matrix A H G H B F G F C. So if you take the transpose of this matrix, here I am writing the transpose. A transpose is equals to, transpose means you are converting rows into columns. First row AHG, AHG. Your second row you are writing it as second column. Second row elements are HBF, HBF. Your third row is GFC, GFC. Now you compare the matrix. So here in this case your matrix A is equals to A transpose. You just see here the matrix is A is consisting of same elements. The matrix A transpose is also having the same elements AHG, HBF, GFC. Then we can say that the given matrix is symmetric matrix, and it is easy to remember. So if anyone is asking to write definition example for symmetric matrix, you can write this: A equals to AHG HBF and GFC. Why it is symmetric matrix? Because here you focus on diagonal elements. Diagonal elements are A, B, C. If you fold this matrix exactly at the center, the remaining elements will match H and H, G, G, F, F, like that. So that is why this matrix is known as symmetric matrix. So to remember easily this matrix, my students are having one definition: a hostel girl having a boyfriend going for a college. So it is just funny thing. So like this also you can remember this symmetric matrix. Okay, then you go to the second, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is represented by A transpose is equals to minus A. So both are almost equal, but here you are getting negative sign in case of skew symmetric matrix. A transpose is equals to minus A. Here you take this matrix. So matrix A is equals to 0, A minus B, minus A 0 C, B minus C 0. This is an example for skew symmetric matrix. Then you observe the difference between symmetric and skew symmetric. Here what about diagonal elements in case of skew symmetric? All the diagonal entries are 0 and the non-diagonal entries are having opposite signs. So here A12 element is A. Here in downside you are having minus A. Here minus B plus B. C minus C. So the non-diagonal elements having opposite sign, having the same elements but with opposite signs. And here one necessary condition is all the diagonal entries must be equals to 0 in case of skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so then go to the next definition, orthogonal matrix. So orthogonal matrix definition is A into A transpose is equals to A transpose into A is equals to I. This is known as the definition of orthogonal matrix. Suppose they are giving a matrix A, you take its transpose, that is A power T. Then if you multiply these two matrices, if the result is identity matrix, then we can say that the given matrix is orthogonal. Okay, so let us go with the next definition, fourth one, trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix. So trace of a matrix is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. So in one line you can say the sum of the diagonal elements gives the trace of a matrix. So trace of a matrix is represented by TR of A equals to sum of A I equals to 1 to n. This is the mathematical notation. Here if you expand the sigma sign, so your sigma will run from I equals to 1 to n. If you substitute I value, okay, if you substitute I value, you are getting A11 plus A22 plus A33 plus and so on plus ANN. Sum of the diagonal elements gives the trace of a matrix. For better example, we will go with one general example. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 1 2 1. Here what are the diagonal elements? 1 5 1. Then how to find trace of a matrix? Trace of a matrix A is equals to sum of diagonal elements, nothing but 1. So diagonal elements are 1 plus 5 plus 1. It gives 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is the value we got trace of the given matrix. So if you add the diagonal element, it gives the trace of any matrix. Okay, so like transpose, we are having some of the properties for transpose. So first property, first one, first property of trace is trace of lambda into A gives lambda into trace of A. Second property, trace of A plus B is equals to trace of A plus trace of B. And the last one is trace of AB is equals to trace of BA. Yeah, so these results are very useful in solving some results, so you please go through once. So in this video we discussed transpose of a matrix, then symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric means A equals to A transpose, skew symmetric A transpose equals to minus A. Orthogonal matrix definition, A into A transpose equals to A transpose into A equals to I. And trace of a matrix definition, sum of the diagonal elements gives the trace of a matrix. Thank you for watching the video.